Hello, and once again welcome to School Tech. Do you suffer with issues of laggy computer? If yes, do watch the whole video. The people who are using computer or laptop with Pentium processor, it is very common that your PC will definitely lag after some time. I mean i3, i5, i7, etc. are more better than Pentium processor. It is common thing among many of the users that after installing many apps like Photoshop, your system starts lagging. But one more fact is, if you uninstall such apps then also your system or computer lags. So how to overcome this issue? Do you know while installing any app on your system, it also downloads extra supporting files which we usually save in C drive. These files are necessary to run your application, only exe file is not sufficient. While installing it also downloads supporting file, but while uninstalling, every app does not remove those supporting files which are on C drive. Some apps do remove but many of them does not erases that supporting file even if you uninstall that particular program. This is the major problem, where your PC starts lagging, so it is necessary to remove all the supporting files of the apps which does not exist or uninstalled from your computer. It occupies lots of space on your computer, and makes your PC slower and slower, which we don't like at all. So to make your PC fast, remove all the supporting files of the application which you have removed previously. And how to do that will be one more question from you. The answer is given in the description box. That video is not from my channel but he have explained how to remove those residuals from your system. So guys, last but not the least, do like, share, and subscribe. School Tech, thank you and keep supporting.